Hey guys, today I'm unboxing Samsung Galaxy S23. As you can see, it's nice and sealed. It says, "Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, seal package." So if you see that seal is broken, please don't accept my one. Just opening now. There we go. Seal is broken now. There we go. And seal is broken. There we go. Ta ta ta. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is the Samsung. There you go. What do you get inside? Cover. There you go. Samsung care. This paper. We get a charger cable. And that's a pin. That's it. It's in here. That's just the back cover. And here is a phone. Nice and smooth, nice and black and color. There you go. 3 camera, flashlight, Samsung. Look at this. Yeah. That's where the SIM card goes. Awesome, guys. That's a phone. That's a cover. And that's it. That's all in a box. It doesn't come with the charger. Just the charger cable. There you go. Cool. Let's try now.